The Nigerian Armed Forces are the armed forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. They are composed of the Army, the Air Force and the Navy. The Nigerian Armed Forces' origins lie in the elements of the Royal West African Frontier Force that became Nigerian when independence was granted in 1960. In 1956, the Nigeria Regiment of the Royal West African Frontier Force was renamed the Nigerian Military Forces, RWAFF. And in April 1958, the colonial government of Nigeria took over from the British War Office control of the Nigerian military forces. Since its creation, the Nigerian military has fought in a civil war, the conflict with Biafra in 1967-70, and sent peacekeeping forces abroad both with the United Nations and as the backbone of the Economic Community of West African States. The great expansion of the military during the Civil War further entrenched the existing military hold on Nigerian society carried over from the first military regime. In doing so, it played an appreciable part in reinforcing the military's nearly first among equal status within Nigerian society, and the linked decline in military effectiveness. Olusegun Obasanjo, who by 1999 had become president, bemoaned the fact in his inaugural address that year. Professionalism has been lost. My heart bleeds to see the degradation in the proficiency of the military. Training establishments in Nigeria include the prestigious Officer Entry Nigerian Defense Academy at Kaduna, the Armed Forces Command and Staff College, Jaji, and the National War College at Abuja. The U.S. commercial military contractor Military Professional Resources Inc. has been involved from around 1999-2000 in advising on civil-military relations for the armed forces. The roles of a country's armed forces are entrenched in her constitution. The defense of the territorial integrity and other core interests of the nation form the major substance of such roles. Section 217 to 220 of the 1999 Constitution of Nigeria addresses the Nigerian Armed Forces. The Nigerian Army is the land branch of the Nigerian Armed Forces and the largest among the armed forces. Major formations include the 1st Division, the 2nd Division, the 3rd Armored Division, 81st Division, 82nd Division, and newly formed 8th, 7th and 6th Divisions. The Nigerian Navy is the sea branch of the Nigerian Armed Forces. The Nigerian Navy command structure today consists of the Naval Headquarters in Abuja, 3 operational commands with headquarters in Lagos, Calabar, and Bayelsa. Training commands headquarters are located in Lagos, the commercial capital of Nigeria, but with training facilities spread all over Nigeria. There are 5 operational bases, 5 forward operational bases, 2 dockyards located in Lagos and Port Harcourt, and 2 fleets based in Lagos and Calabar. The Nigerian Air Force was formally established in January 1964 with technical assistance from West Germany. The Air Force started life as a transport unit with aircrew being trained in Canada, Ethiopia and Pakistan. The Air Force did not get a combat capability until a number of MiG-17 aircraft were presented by the Soviet Union in 1966. In 2007, the Air Force had a strength of 10,000. It flies transport, trainer, helicopter, and fighter aircraft. By 2020, the number of the Air Force personnel has increased to 18,000. The Air Force sponsors the Air Force Military School, JAWS, Nigeria, and the Air Force Institute of Technology. Nigeria also has pursued a policy of developing domestic training and military production capabilities. Nigeria has continued a strict policy of diversification in her military procurement from various countries. There is a joint task force in the Niger Delta region designated Restore Hope. This is an inter-service operational team comprising members of the Army, the Navy, and the Air Force to combat terrorism in the Niger Delta. JTF HQ is located at Yenagoa. In December 1983, the new Major General Muhammadu Buhari regime announced that Nigeria could no longer afford an activist anti-colonial role in Africa. Anglophone ECOWAS members established ECOMOG, dominated by the Nigerian Army. in 1990 to intervene in the civil war in Liberia. The Army has demonstrated its capability to mobilize, deploy, and sustain brigade-sized forces in support of peacekeeping operations in Liberia. Smaller Army forces have been previously sent on UN and ECOWAS deployments in the former Yugoslavia, Guinea-Bissau, and Sierra Leone. This doctrine of African military intervention by Nigeria is sometimes called Pax Nigeriana. That policy statement did not deter Nigeria under Generals Ibrahim Babangida in 1990 and Sani Abacha in 1997 from sending ECOMOG peacekeeping forces under the auspices of ECOWAS into Liberia, and later Sierra Leone when civil wars broke out in those countries. President Olusegun Obasanjo in August 2003 committed Nigerian troops once again into Liberia, at the urging of the United States, to provide an interim presence UNT.